Hello guys, so today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make the double rubber band. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the tutorial of that. So what you need is that only a rubber band. Okay, only a rubber band, and if you have two hands then only you can do this. So let's start. You have to put this rubber band like this. Okay, and you have to use your index finger like this and pull this part like this, turn it over like this and put your pinky finger. Okay, I hope you understood like I said. Now use your index finger to pull this part like this and pull this part out of there. Again I will do, see, this part you have to pull like this and then pull this one out of there. Yeah, so now you have to do what? You have to use a middle finger to pull this part from here. You have to put the middle finger here and you have to pull this part out. So yeah, this is the star, and now you will do the double star. Now you have to do what? This finger, this and this means your pinky finger and this the thick finger you have to leave the rubber band. Nothing to do with that. Leave. Okay. Now this thick finger you have to use at the place of index finger, and your pinky finger at the place of middle finger like this. Now make a shape like this. Put your this index finger and middle finger like this into the triangle, this inverted triangle. You have to put it like this and pull out. Now turn over and put your middle finger over this part here like this and this index finger here. Okay, I'm gonna show you again like this. Put it here, this in this triangle, pull it out, turn over, and here you have to put one and here you have to put one. See, after doing that you have to use your thick finger to put here, over here. There's a triangle, you can see. You have to put here and pull it out, and your middle finger and index finger should be out of it. Take it out and pull. See, this is your double star. So I will do it in speed now. Okay, you can decrease the playback speed and watch it like this, this. One star happened. Now leave this. Use this fingers to put here like this, and finally you are done. So this is the double star tutorial. I hope this video helped you a lot. Please subscribe to my channel. I need 993 subscribers to monetize my channel, so please help me that, because I want subscriber to develop my country. My country is India, so please help me for doing that, and I'm gonna help the poor. If I get subscriber, I need money because I don't have that much money to help people, so please help me. And thanks for watching. Bye bye. And I will not make you people sad. I will live with a positive line. So line is, I will text you. Bye.